I'm Jay from MediaMobs. We've identified some of the pain points in video production that MediaMobs has successfully addressed for a multitude of clients. MediaMobs addresses this pain point by hosting 1,800 plus producers across the globe. If, for example, one isn't available in New York, we'll have over a dozen certified options to call upon. Quality. A good story is hard to find. User-generated content is not consistently compelling. MediaMobs' in-house team and producers are veteran and award-winning storytellers, delivering quality videos to companies like Oracle and Intel, to name only a few. Speed. Fast turnaround is not typical. Finding qualified creative resources can be time-consuming. Cost. Most companies perceive video as being too costly, consuming too much of their time. MediaMobs will typically deliver a 40% cost saving versus other and conventional methods, thanks to our network of producers and online tools. How are you using video in your messaging?